shit, it's crazy. Hey yo! Last week we were talking about, oh, there's nice sun. Now it's snowstorm. Let me show you. Hey Molly, there is a snowstorm outside. How do you think about it? Any comments? You are also looking at the same? Yeah, it's crazy, I know. Look at that crazy day. I'll go outside and show how crazy this is. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is my balcony. It's already this much snow here, and there people are cleaning their outside. It's pretty windy. Look at that wind. I don't know if the camera shows all the snow flowing. Maybe now it shows a bit. That's my car there. And the funny thing is I have to go out now. It's pretty foggy as well. You can't see anything afar. Generally we see quite far there, what all mall and whatnot. All the buildings there we can easily see, but nothing now. It's crazy. You can look at me. I'm already full of snow. How awesome it is. I think I'll have fun driving today. Look at the snow. It's already piled up outside. Crazy. My car is also full, but I have an internal heater, so that must have melted something. As you can see, it's crazy snowing. People are cleaning their tracks to get the car in, but luckily I have a 4-wheel drive, so I think I should get away without cleaning. And I put a GoPro here, or not GoPro, it's an action camera here, so that I can show you how does it look. It's a bit crazy. The car is even slipping a bit because it's so much snow. You can see it's hardly you can see anything. So bad visibility. It's pretty crazy. As I was telling you before, that it's pretty bad visibility, quite a lot snowing, and in this speed I think people can't even clean that fast. So the car is also like slips a bit. This is Finland, guys. This is Finland. You never know. You might be in summer and there might be still snow. That's how Finland rolls. Look, there was nothing like last week here, and this part is like full of snow now.
Created a little obstacle course. Can you jump here? Yeah. Good girl. Well done. Can you come down? Good girl. Jump over. You can do it. Jump over. No, that's cheating. Jump. Jump here. Come on, Skin. Oh, that's try jumping. No, that is cheating.
As you can see, it's really bad. I have come back now from beach volley. It's really bad visibility. I have fog lights, so it's much better, but then everybody is also driving slow. So I'm back now home, and I will show you how crazy our yard is. Pretty full. The parking, this was also pretty full of snow, so I had to like really carefully slide in between the car. So this is the heating cable I have, which heats the car, so that, and I can then switch on. I don't know if you can see, there is like this heater which I can switch on and it heats the car inside, and it's like for 2 hours the car gets warm nicely, so that you don't have to scrape the ice. I recently fixed that in the car. It was not working. Everything is full of snow. Look at my shoes. It's crazy. This is our yard. So I'm back home, and then look what I'm back to. There is some agility course happening here for Molly.
Good girl. We go up. Yeah, good. We go down. Good girl. And then we do jump. Yeah. No. We do the jump. Yeah.
Hey! Hello! 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 Oh, thank you! No, you don't have to clean the shoes. It's okay. I can clean myself. So I'm just home. I haven't even changed, and then I come back to this crazy course. Is it my turn now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Round. Up on the chair. Down from the chair. Here. Over.
Yes! I win! End the vlog.
End the vlog. Baby, don't hurt me.
आग लगा दी
I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have to cook food. My energy is low and I'm like almost gonna pass out. Super tired. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this far, and as I said, please just hit a like. It just needs a click, but for me it means a lot. And